Hey everyone, and welcome back to Elder Health Tips. It's great to have you here. Today, we're diving into a topic that has been getting a lot of buzz: coconut oil and its potential to boost testosterone levels. Now, you've probably heard about coconut oil for cooking, for your skin, for your hair, but for hormones? It sounds a bit surprising, right? Well, let's unpack the science and see what's really going on. Could this tropical treasure be the key to revitalizing your energy, drive, and overall vitality? Stick with me, because we're about to explore the fascinating connection between coconut oil and testosterone. So, what exactly is testosterone? It's often called the male hormone, but it's crucial for both men and women. It plays a massive role in muscle mass, bone density, fat distribution, sex drive, and even mood. As we age, especially for men after the age of 30, testosterone levels naturally start to decline. This can lead to feeling tired, a decrease in muscle strength, and a lower libido. That's why so many people are looking for natural ways to support healthy testosterone levels. This is where the conversation about diet and specific foods, like coconut oil, becomes really interesting. Let's get straight to the heart of the matter. How could coconut oil possibly influence testosterone? The secret lies in its unique composition. Coconut oil is rich in saturated fats, but not just any kind. A large portion of these are medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs. Unlike the long-chain fatty acids found in many other fats, MCTs are metabolized differently by the body. They go straight from the gut to the liver, where they can be used as a quick source of energy or turned into ketones. This efficient energy process is one piece of the puzzle. Now, let's connect the dots to testosterone production. Hormones like testosterone are synthesized from cholesterol. So having healthy cholesterol levels is the very first step. Here's where it gets good. Some studies suggest that the specific types of fats found in coconut oil, like lauric acid, can help support a healthy cholesterol profile. By providing the body with the right building blocks and promoting good cholesterol, you're essentially setting the stage for optimal hormone production. It's like making sure your car's factory has all the raw materials it needs to build a high-performance engine. But it doesn't stop there. Another critical factor in testosterone production is oxidative stress. Think of oxidative stress as rust in your body's machinery. It's caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that damage cells, including the Leydig cells in the testes, which are responsible for producing the vast majority of testosterone in men. When these cells are damaged, their ability to produce testosterone is significantly impaired. This is a major reason for age-related testosterone decline. So, what's the defense against this cellular rust? Antioxidants. And guess what? Coconut oil is packed with them. These natural compounds, like phenolic acids, act as bodyguards for your cells. They neutralize the harmful free radicals, protecting the Leydig cells from damage. Research conducted on animal models has shown promising results where diets rich in coconut oil help protect against oxidative stress and, in turn, supported healthier testicular function and testosterone levels. It's a protective effect that helps keep your natural hormone factory running smoothly. There's one more important angle to consider: inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a silent enemy that can wreak havoc on your entire system, including your hormonal balance. It can interfere with the signals your brain sends to produce hormones, essentially disrupting the entire chain of command. Coconut oil contains compounds that have natural anti-inflammatory properties. By helping to calm down chronic inflammation throughout the body, coconut oil can create a more favorable internal environment for hormone production to happen as it should. It's about creating total body harmony, which is essential for any specific system, like your endocrine system, to function at its best. So, we've talked about the building blocks, the cellular protection, and the anti-inflammatory benefits. Let's piece it all together. First, coconut oil provides healthy fats that are essential precursors for hormone synthesis. Second, its antioxidant properties help protect the very cells that produce testosterone from damage. Third, its anti-inflammatory effects help create a better overall environment for your hormones to thrive. When you combine these three mechanisms, you can see a powerful, multi-pronged approach to naturally supporting your body's testosterone production. Now the big question, how can you incorporate coconut oil into your daily routine? It's actually incredibly easy and versatile. One of the simplest ways is to use it for cooking. Its high smoke point makes it great for sautéing or roasting vegetables. You can also add a spoonful to your morning coffee or tea for a creamy, energy-boosting start to your day. This is often called bulletproof coffee. You can blend it into your smoothies, which adds a wonderful richness and helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins from the fruits and vegetables. You can even use it in baking as a substitute for butter or other oils. But remember, quality matters. When you're shopping for coconut oil, look for terms like virgin, cold-pressed, and unrefined. This means it's been processed with minimal heat and no chemicals, which helps preserve its beneficial compounds and antioxidants. Refined coconut oil might be cheaper, but it often lacks the very nutrients we've been talking about. So, investing in a high-quality product is definitely worth it for your health. Of course, it's crucial to maintain a balanced perspective. Coconut oil is not a magic bullet. While it can be a fantastic addition to a healthy lifestyle, it works best as part of a bigger picture. You can't just add coconut oil to a poor diet and expect miracles. A holistic approach is always the most effective. This means eating a balanced diet rich in whole foods, getting regular exercise, especially strength training, which is a known testosterone booster, ensuring you get enough quality sleep, and managing your stress levels. When you combine all these healthy habits with the strategic use of coconut oil, you're creating a powerful synergy for your hormonal health. Let's also talk about dosage. More is not always better. Coconut oil is still a fat and is very calorie-dense. A good starting point for most people is about 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. You can split this up, maybe 1 tablespoon in your morning coffee and another for cooking your dinner. Listen to your body, see how you feel. If you're not used to it, start with a smaller amount, like a teaspoon, and gradually work your way up to avoid any digestive discomfort. Moderation is key to reaping the benefits without overdoing it on the calories. To wrap things up, the evidence suggests that coconut oil, with its unique medium-chain fatty acids, powerful antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties, can be a valuable tool in your arsenal for supporting healthy testosterone levels. It helps provide the essential building blocks, protects your hormone-producing cells, and creates a healthy internal environment. It's a natural, simple, and delicious way to give your body a little extra support, especially as you get older. Remember to choose high-quality, virgin coconut oil and incorporate it into an already healthy and active lifestyle for the best results. Thank you so much for joining me today on Elder Health Tips. I hope you found this information helpful and empowering. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more natural health secrets, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share it with someone who might find it useful. Your support helps our channel grow and reach more people. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.